Replacing your windows is one of the most important upgrades you can make to your home. The right replacement windows improve comfort, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and long-term value, but the company you choose matters just as much as the windows themselves. Homeowners who work with Verde Group consistently find that their replacement window projects are smoother, more transparent, and more rewarding from start to finish. Here are the top benefits of choosing Verde Group for your replacement window project and why homeowners trust them with such an important investment. Expertise focused on replacement windows. Verde Group specializes in replacement window projects, which means their team understands the unique challenges involved in upgrading existing homes. Replacement windows require precision, careful measurement, and attention to detail to ensure proper fit and performance. With Verde Group, homeowners benefit from accurate assessments of existing window opening solutions tailored to older or updated homes, installation methods designed specifically for replacements, not new construction. This focused expertise leads to better results and fewer issues down the line. Personalized recommendations based on your home. Every home is different, and Verde Group takes the time to understand your specific needs. Instead of offering one-size-fits-all solutions, they provide personalized guidance based on your home's design, climate needs, and comfort goals. Homeowners appreciate honest recommendations without pressure. Window styles matched to the home's architecture, glass and frame options suited to local weather conditions. This customized approach ensures your new windows enhance both performance and appearance. Energy-efficient window options that deliver real savings. Energy efficiency is a major reason homeowners replace windows, and Verde Group prioritizes solutions that deliver measurable results. Their window options are designed to reduce drafts, regulate indoor temperatures, and ease the workload on HVAC systems. Benefits include improved insulation for year-round comfort, reduced heating and cooling costs, better temperature consistency across rooms. Homeowners enjoy energy savings without sacrificing natural light or style. Professional installation that protects your investment. Even the highest quality windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Verde Group's experienced installers follow best practices to ensure each window is installed correctly and securely. Professional installation includes precise fitting and alignment, complete insulation around the frame, tight sealing against air and moisture leaks, thorough testing of window operation. This attention to detail helps prevent drafts, water intrusion, and premature wear. Clear communication and a smooth project experience. Home improvement projects can feel overwhelming, but Verde Group is known for making the process straightforward and stress-free. From the initial consultation to final walkthrough, homeowners stay informed every step of the way. Customers value clear timelines and expectations, responsive communication, respect for their home and schedule, clean, organized work areas. This professionalism creates confidence and peace of mind throughout the project. Windows that enhance curb appeal and home value. Replacement windows installed by Verde Group don't just perform well, they look great. Carefully selected styles, colors, and finishes help improve the home's exterior appearance and overall value. Benefits include modern, updated curb appeal, design consistency with existing architecture, increased resale interest. Well-executed window projects make a strong impression on both homeowners and future buyers. Long-term comfort and reliability. Verde Group focuses on long-term performance, not short-term fixes. Their replacement window projects are designed to deliver lasting comfort, durability, and efficiency. Homeowners enjoy fewer maintenance concerns, reliable operation year after year, consistent indoor comfort in all seasons. This long-term mindset ensures lasting satisfaction. A partner you can trust. Perhaps the biggest benefit of choosing Verde Group is trust. Homeowners value working with a team that prioritizes quality, transparency, and customer satisfaction. A smarter choice for replacement window projects. Choosing Verde Group for your replacement window project means choosing experience, professionalism, and results you can feel every day. From personalized recommendations and energy-efficient options to expert installation and clear communication, Verde Group delivers a replacement window experience built around homeowner needs. If you're planning to upgrade your windows, working with Verde Group ensures your investment adds comfort, beauty, and value to your home for years to come.